Okay, I'm gonna open all 5 of these locks with just this one key. This is a bump key, and I'll do them in order of difficulty, and I'll end it with this Brinks security lock. It's 5 spool pins. I use a technique where instead of the normal finger tension, I use leverage from any kind of metal, like a pick or a tension tool. This way I don't hit my fingers, and it also gives me more, I'm more able to control how much tension I have. There we go. Having a nice bump hammer really helps, made out of the right material. And it takes a lot of practice to get to know how much tension and how hard to hit it.